Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass Maths Sub. Today that is 22nd August 21. I am going to explain some concepts related to chapter 7 integral NCERT 12 mathematics. The concept we shall try to understand with help of question itself. Now take the question here. Question I shall write. Question is question equal to question implies that integrate integral dx over a square minus x square. This is the question. Now what to do here? Here you can see in the denominator it is given a square minus x square. So here I shall write solution. Solution implies that let I equal to integral dx over a square minus x square. Now factorize a square minus x square. So here I shall write, we know that a square minus x square is equal to a plus x dot a minus x. The formula is there, a square minus b square. The formula is there, a square minus b square equal to in one bracket a plus b dot in another bracket a minus b. On the same pattern, a square minus x square can be written as in one bracket a plus x dot in another bracket a minus x can be written. The a square minus x square equal to a plus x dot a minus x comes out to be. Now here I shall write implied that I equal to integral dx over a square minus x square can be written as in one bracket a plus x in another bracket a minus x. Now what to do next? Next I shall use the concept partial fraction. So here I shall write imply that 1 over a plus x dot a minus x. Here you can say this dx is related to integral. This dx is a part of integral sign here. That's why in numerator you will get only 1 over a plus x dot a minus x. I shall write. Now use the concept of partial fractions of rational functions. This is a rational function. Here I shall use partial fraction concept. So here I shall write a over, here you can see a plus x, x is a variable, a is a constant, x has power 1, that's why a plus x is a linear factor. So for linear factor I shall write a capital A over a plus x plus here also a minus x This is a minus x is a linear factor. That's why it can be written as b over a minus x. This thing you must remember. This is linear factor, this is linear factor. That's why here capital A will come, here capital B will come. So what to do next? Next here I shall write multiply, on multiplying, on multiplying, on multiplying by a plus x dot a minus x in both sides. On multiplying by a plus x dot a minus x in both sides of equation. Here you will get implied that 1 multiply to a plus x dot a minus x whole over LHS I have taken a plus x dot a minus x equal to a I shall write. Here you will get a plus x dot a minus x whole over a plus x plus b dot a plus x minus a minus x whole over a plus x a minus x. What will do? This one will be cancelled out, and also this one what will get? Here you will get only this one. This one is there. Just tell you that here I have written same thing. A will multiply to a plus x, a minus x, a plus x is there. B over a minus x. So b over a minus x is there. So here write a minus x. A minus x. A minus x. Now what to do? 1 over a plus x dot a minus x. On multiplying by a plus x dot a minus x in both sides of the equation. In left hand side we multiply a plus x dot a minus x. So 1 will multiply to a plus x dot a minus x whole over denominator will be written as it is. Now here we multiply this term a plus x a minus x over this one is there. Now what to do? This term is also multiplying a plus x a minus x in denominator a minus x is there. So now what to do here? This one will be cancelled out. A minus x is there in numerator, a minus x is there in denominator. A minus x will be cancelled out. Here a plus x will be cancelled out. So here this one will also be cancelled out. We will get here implied that 1 is equal to a in bracket a minus x plus b in bracket a plus x. This thing we will get. Now again I shall write implied that 1 is equal to a minus ax plus ba plus bx. This one you will get. Now what to do next? Next I shall write 1 equal to, from here you can see just grouping the things here. So here I shall write AA minus AX plus BA plus BX. This will just group the things here. Minus AX plus BX plus AA plus BA. This one. And now what we'll do here? Here I shall write imply that 1 equal to. Now here take X as a common. So we will get here minus A plus B. Again I shall write A plus BA. This one will get. Now on comparing the coefficient of X. So here I shall write on comparing the coefficients in both sides. We'll get here implied that here you can see the coefficient of X is minus A plus B. And in left hand side coefficient of X is 0. That's why minus A plus B comes out to be 0 and AA plus BA is a constant, will be equal to 1 is a constant. So here I shall write A plus BA equal to 1. This thing will get. Now from here you will get A equal to B, because minus A is there in left hand side, that will be thrown back to right hand side. It will become in right hand plus A. So A equal to B it will become. Put the value A equal to B here. So first in place of A I shall write here BA plus BA. We will get here 1. Implied that 2BA equal to 1. Implied that B equal to 1 over 2A we shall get. B equal to 1 over 2A we shall get. Now what value of A? And here you can say A equal to B. A equal to 1 over 2A we shall get, because A equal to B. The value of B you have got 1 over 2A. The value of A will be A equal to 1 over 2A. This one. And now what to do next? Next I shall write this one. Hence I equal to integral dx over A plus x A minus x, implied that I equal to, here I write integral, open here curly bracket, in curly bracket I shall write, put the value of A. Capital A equal to, we have got 1 over 2A. So here I shall write 1 over 2A dot A plus x, here write A plus x, plus I shall write a value of BA we have got 1 over 2A. So here write 1 over 2A multiply to A minus x, curly bracket close, dot dx. This one we have got. Now what to do next? Next I shall write implied that I equal to just break down in two parts. So here we shall get 1 over 2a a plus x dot dx plus here again I shall write integral 1 over 2a a minus x dot dx. This one is good. Now what will get? What to do next? Next I shall write I equal to implied that I equal to here 1 over 2a is there in first term. Here 1 over 2a is there in first term. We can easily take 1 over 2a as a common. So here 1 over 2a will be popped out. I will be taken as a common. You will get here 1 over 2a dot. Here write square bracket integral dx over a plus x, this one will be written, plus integral dx over a minus x, I shall write this one, close here square bracket. The value of I we have got. Now what to do next? Next I shall write implied that I equal to, in bracket I shall write 1 over 2a dot, open here this one, here integral dx over a plus x, will get here log a plus x plus, and this term I shall explain here. Just look at this place, how this comes out to be. So here if you write dx over a minus x, value we have to find. So what to do? Let a minus x equal to t. So here write let a minus x equal to t. A minus x equal to t, denominator I shall let as t. So here what to do here? Find here dwrt x. So we will get here d over dx of a minus d over dx of x equal to d over dx of t. This thing you will get. So here d over dx of a is a content, d over dx of our content comes out to be 0, minus d over dx of x comes out to be 1, equal to dt over dx, I shall write dt over dx. dt over dx we shall get. So what to do next? Next I shall write implied that dx is equal to minus dt. Remember this one. Here minus 1 will multiply to dx. Minus 1 multiply to dx comes out to be minus dx equal to dt. Dx is equal to minus dt we have got. So what will do? What will do next? Next here you will get I is equal to value of dx is equal to minus dt. So here write minus dt whole over a minus x. In place of a minus x, I shall write here t. So you will get here I equal to minus integral dt over t. You will get here I equal to minus log t. I equal to I1 लिख दो, I1, this is I1. I1, why I1? Because I have already used as I here. So at this place right here I1. So I1 equal to minus log, in place of t I shall write a minus x. This one. I1 equal to minus log in bracket a minus x. Same way here you can see integral dx over a minus x. Here integral dx over a minus x. Here integral dx over a minus x. Integral dx over a minus x. Integral dx over a minus x. So in place of integral dx over a minus x, I shall write minus log a minus x. So here I shall write, here it will become minus log a minus x. Open here, close here, square bracket. This one you have got. Now what to do here? So here again we shall get implied that I equal to 1 over 2a dot. Here inside the things given in square brackets will be operated log a plus x minus log a minus x. Comes out to be log mod a plus x whole over a minus x mod plus c. This will be correct answer. I equal to 1 over 2a dot log mod a plus x over a minus x mod plus c. This will be the correct answer we have got. If you have any doubt, please comment in comment box. I shall again explain it in a better way. Okay guys, thanks.